Hello, young miss. Just a minute, please.
Good evening.
Good evening.
My name is Sister Shakaberry. So I realized that you and the gentleman over there was having a disagreement. As I like to see a lot of young souls into church, giving them life to God and everything. That is what God wants. And I know it's very hard for him to have a change, but you have to just give him time, because not because you're a Christian doesn't mean you're gonna get up and change tomorrow morning. It takes time and it takes practice.
Boy, miss, all me a try him not change. I don't know what for him not change. Boy, I go left him.
Let me tell you something. You see, when me just got to church 2 months ago, me baptized because of things when me go through. And it wasn't easy because me there got a lot of